Hello learners. I hope you are doing great. Did you know about brachial plexus? So keep an eye out and learn about brachial plexus. Brachial means relating to arm, and plexus means a network. The brachial plexus is a network of nerves formed by intercommunications among the anterior rami of the lower four cervical nerves, C5, C6, C7, C8, and first thoracic nerve, T1. This plexus extends from the spinal cord, through the cervicoaxillary canal in the neck, over the first rib, and into the axilla. It is responsible for the motor innervation of all of the muscles of the chest, shoulder, arm, forearm, and hand. In this article, we shall look at the anatomy of the brachial plexus, its formation and anatomical course through the body. The brachial plexus is divided into 5 roots, 3 trunks, 6 divisions, 3 cords, and several branches. There is a mnemonic to remember this sequence: rude, temperatures, distort, classy, bars. First discuss about the roots. The 5 roots are the 5 anterior primary rami of the spinal nerves. The brachial plexus emerges at 5 different levels, C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1. The long thoracic nerve arises from C5, C6, and C7. This nerve innervates the serratus anterior. The dorsal scapular nerve arises from C5, and this nerve innervates the rhomboid muscles. Second, trunks. These roots merge to form the trunks. C5 and C6 merge to establish the upper or superior trunk. C7 continuously forms the middle trunk. And C8 and T1 merge to establish the lower or inferior trunk. The suprascapular nerve arises from upper trunk, and this nerve innervates the supraspinatus and infraspinatus muscle. Nerve to subclavius also arises from upper trunk. Third, divisions. Each trunk then splits in 2 to form 6 divisions, which are anterior ventral divisions of the upper, middle, and lower trunks, and posterior or dorsal divisions of the upper, middle, and lower trunks. These ultimately supply the anterior and posterior aspect of the limb. Fourth, cords. These 6 divisions regroup to become the 3 cords. The cords are named by their position with respect to the axillary artery. The posterior cord is formed from the 3 posterior divisions of the trunks. The lateral cord is formed from the anterior divisions of the upper and middle trunks. The medial cord is simply a continuation of the anterior division of the lower trunk. Fifth, branches. These 3 cords give rise to the following branches. Nerves arises from lateral cord R. Lateral pectoral nerve. It supplies both pectoralis major and minor muscles. Musculocutaneous nerve. It is the nerve of muscle of front of arm. Lateral root of median nerve. It joined the medial root of median nerve and form median nerve, which is the chief nerve of muscle of front of forearm. Nerves arises from posterior cord R. Upper subscapular nerve. It supplies to subscapularis muscle. Nerve to latissimus dorsi. It supplies to muscle of its name. Lower subscapular nerve. It helps upper subscapular nerve. Axillary nerve. It supplies to deltoid muscle, one of the important muscle of shoulder. Radial nerve. This is the thickest branch of brachial plexus. It supplies to all 3 heads of triceps brachii muscle. Nerve arises from medial cord R. Medial pectoral nerve. It also supplies to both pectoralis major and minor muscles. Medial cutaneous nerve of arm. Medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Ulnar nerve. This is the nerve of 1½ muscle of front of forearm. Let's see the complete picture of the brachial plexus. What we have learned in this video. Thanks for watching. If you learned from this video, then like and share with your friends. For more such content, kindly subscribe to this channel. And for latest updates, click on the bell icon.